Does your Windows terminal look like this? What if I told you it could look like this instead? Let's set that up in less than 10 minutes using a tool called Oh My Posh. Head over to ohmyposh.dev. This is the official site for Oh My Posh. Click on Themes at the top, and you'll see a gallery of all the available terminal styles. Let's click on the Mount theme. I like how clean it looks. When you click a theme, it takes you to GitHub. This is the actual config file. Don't worry about all this JSON. You won't have to edit this, we'll just reference the file name to activate the theme. Let's install Oh My Posh. Open PowerShell and run this command. This uses Windows Package Manager, fast and easy. If this doesn't work, make sure you have winget installed through the Microsoft Store. Now we're going to make Oh My Posh run every time you open PowerShell. Type this to open your PowerShell profile in Notepad. Now paste this line to apply the paradox theme. You can replace the theme later if you want. Click Save, and close Notepad. Close and reopen PowerShell, or just open a new tab in Windows Terminal. Looks better already, but we're missing the icons. Let's fix that. Oh My Posh uses special icons from Nerd Fonts. Head to nerdfonts.com, scroll down, and click Download. Install the font like a regular app, just double-click and hit Install. Now open Windows Terminal Settings. Go to PowerShell Appearance Font Face. Save and relaunch the terminal. Now the icons should appear. There it is, a beautiful terminal, complete with Git info, icons, and a modern theme. Want to switch themes? Just change the file name in your profile, like this. You can even create your own by copying a theme JSON and tweaking it. Next time I'll show you how to add auto-suggestions and syntax highlighting. Subscribe if you're into building your ultimate dev setup.